What's up guys, I want to give you a quick review of this Dell monitor, but before we get to the review, I just want to quickly show you how easy this was to set up because it blew my mind. So right out of the box, you have the monitor, the stand, the base, USB-C, and the power cord. It comes with the option for two HDMIs, the USB-C plug, the auxiliary port, and a standard USB port, as well as the power port here. Setup is incredibly simple. You take the stand and you just snap it right into here, and that's it. The base, no tools needed. It comes with this screw. You just stick it right inside the stand and twist. So right there, within 10 seconds, you've got the stand fully set up. Now you just have to plug in the power and your USB-C to your computer, and you're good to go. Okay, so I've been using this monitor for a couple weeks now, and it's honestly been really awesome. I love how big the screen is. It's 27 inches, which is a big upgrade from my laptop, and it has a matte screen, which is really nice because it reduces the glare a lot. It's also 4K, which comes in handy as I edit a lot of videos for my job. It comes with a USB-C cord here that plugs right into my laptop. It charges my laptop while it's working, so I don't need to have an extra charger plugged in. It's also super easy to adjust. You can just push it up and down, twist it left and right. It also rotates vertically. So super great monitor, super sturdy. I love the modern design. It's very simple, not too flashy. It also comes with built-in speakers, which is really nice, not having to buy external speakers to hook up and take space on my desk. So you can turn the sound on and hear it straight through the computer. Really like that feature. Overall, I'm very happy with this monitor and I highly recommend it.